Video of assembling an electric curtain track. The above is the material and accessory diagram. First, unfold the track after receiving the goods. Then check if the belt is in the belt groove. If the belt falls out, put it back into the belt groove. Then loosen all the screws of the outer foil connector. Then use the outer foil connector to connect the track. Make sure the outer foil connector is in the middle of the track. Then tighten all the screws. Check if the track is smooth. Now assemble the pulley. Insert the pointed tip of the pinhead downwards. Then install the pulley arm. Pay attention to the direction of the pulley arm. Don't install it backwards. Find the right position. Fix it with screws. Then tighten the screws. Then check if the pulley is smooth. Smoothness is okay. Then install the installation codes on both sides of the track. Pay attention to the distance between the installation codes. Fasten the side with the hook to the edge of the track. Then fasten the other side. Then tighten the screws. Now install the installation code on the other side. 2 installation codes are installed per 1 meter. A finished track splicing is completed.